I figured as long as my truck is in the shop, I'd get busy and do a couple of little projects that I still have left to do. One of which was, or is, to put this rack up. I don't know if you can see it or not. Just a little mesh thing that's got toiletries in it. It's pretty light. And when I'm traveling, I'll just fold it up with all the stuff in it and put it down in the bathtub. All that stuff will also get put away as soon as I find a spot for it. Anyway, little by little, I've been working in here, trying to organize, and I've kind of figured out that it's going to be a trial and error, change it probably every day as I go until I get used to it. I've got a couple of pictures that I'll show you I want to get put up. There's one of them. And then there's the other. Anyway, I just don't know where to put them, but I'll get there. And let's see, I got my screen put up. You probably can't see it because of the sun. But what I did was I put Velcro up here and Velcro on the screen. And when I'm traveling, I can just take the screen off, fold it up and put it away. It's really easy. And then when I'm parked somewhere, I've done it so that I can close and lock my door without having to remove the screen. So it just opens up on this side and you sneak out, and then it just snaps right back. Yay! Still gonna have to work on this side though. It gives me some grief. What else have I done? This is all my camera charging and stuff, and it's going to stay in the truck when I'm traveling. That just has a sleeping bag in it, chair on top. Those are empty, and I'm just going to keep them for whatever in the back of the truck. Of course, my computer with Ben Life Sheldon buffering. Anyway, this wall. This is my Achilles heel. It's giving me lots of grief. So today I'm gonna start putting up the other paper that I got to put on it. Or let me show you, hold on. See it? And it peels off. Let me grab you. I grab you. Anyway, I've got this, and it just, I'm not fond of the stars, but I thought I liked the cute little curlicues, and I could just put those up there just to have some movement. I don't know. I like the swirlies, but let me show you the paper that I got, and I'm a little hesitant to put the paper up because, let me grab it. This might be kind of dark. I don't know. So there's the paper. This is kind of a rustic blue, and then it goes into a brown, and it's kind of a cream or a beige. It's got some green. It's got the same colors in it that I have up here. They're just a little different shade. But I thought about putting this paper horizontal across this wall. But like I said, it's the peel-in stick, so I'm a little afraid of it. I've had enough go wrong. I don't need any more. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just try a little piece of it. See how it goes. And then I've noticed on these walls, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. See the bubbles? And then it's coming off here. And it's coming off here. And it's really bubbly right there. So that wallpaper just was not a good idea, although it's beautiful. If it hadn't puckered and come apart, then yeah, it would have been great. But I don't know, anyway, if that wallpaper hadn't bubbled and started coming off, it would have been great. I loved it. It was beautiful. But I can't hang with that. That's a smaller wall than this one. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start putting this stuff up, this wallpaper, up over there. Just to see how it looks. Maybe. I think I'm going to start working on that wallpaper. I got the itch to do something. And I think that's what I'm going to do. So, I'll get set up to do that and then I'll bring you back. Alright, I got the first piece marked, I think. Yeah, it's right there. So, here we go. First cut. Thinking maybe now if the sun was going down you'd be able to see this better, but there, maybe that'll help. Maybe not. I'll try and do it in the morning.